You have no idea how powerful you are. And if you don't remember, I am here planning to help you. That's my divine mission, and I'm so devoted to it. I am here by the sea to help you, sending codes, activation and downloads to awaken your dominant DNA, to regulate your nervous system, especially today. As we're about to enter, very soon you must detach from everything that is not love, light, and truth. You must detach with the self-sabotage I'm hearing, limited belief system, everything that is lowering your vibration, everything that is keeping you stuck, the fabric of your mind that is playing with you, feeling small, that you don't deserve, everything that is blocking your abundance and not allowing you to receive what's yours fully. Your nervous system is definitely on fire because you're triggered right now. All of your fears, your emotions, deepest emotions, trapped emotions that are keeping you stuck again into pattern, repetitive pattern, they're coming to the surface at this time of the year. That is why you feel stressed out more than usual. I am talking to a light worker, very sensitive person, empath, generational curse breaker, chosen one, star seed. You're tested right now, but more importantly, God, the Most High, doesn't want you to bring this old version of yourself to the next chapter. You're simply not allowed to do it. So today, I'm going to connect you to the great central sun, the great crystal of Atlantis, I'm hearing Poseidon and the depth of the ocean. Yeah, confirmation on my phone. Ara kere ionara wa tsaraya karawe yadraya sa uadraya sa. Ara yakara yomoro wa e ndre yakotro wa ndre ia asara wa kadraya sa. We're going to disintegrate from a cellular perspective all of these limited belief system programs that keep you stuck, and I'm going to replace it with golden liquid light, calling upon the dragons and the archangels of the great central sun to assist me, as well as Arcturians and Andromeda. Kriya sa mintaka kriyo tokotuma reya shadi gedrewa andreya sa. You're so powerful. Let me infuse your nervous system with new thoughts that you're so worthy of receiving. Anchoring down, deep into the oceans. Closing dark portals. Araya karawanraya saraya kuduruko duruwanraya siyatiriya maya taraya mawatsa. Okudrukuma asriya tres lipi asriya otra angara amaraya sa. Kraya God bless all that is kriya on the kurukututu marakiya traya angara a. Hey, karaya naraya 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 naraya. Akara, oh my, okay, akara is asking for the divine grace and healing. Oh, I'm connecting to a very, very deep, beautiful old soul. We're going to the Umara is ask for divine grace. For you, Rukuta, 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 Makaya, Esha, Natayara, you ready to move forward fully? Atia, Aya ara na kaya say kia otora uma ata iya 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 removing soothing your nervous system krikitiki ari anikita gurua asara iya narawa kia ara iya tara washing away posing tiki thank you kurkutu for helping me now kurkuta tiki ya anak turu ata nikitri aso no kaya asuka ano wiria mo yo so Manara ya Ara ika sar kote ndere dara no tu washing away karika makara yokoro someone out there is in deep pain, deep emotional turmoil. This is simply your nervous system that has been wired for failure. Take a deep breath in. Archangel Michael. It's as if you have a lot of entities around you. Observing your life force energy. Let it go. Injecting so much golden liquid light into your system right now. And living into the oceans. This energy for it to be transmuted. If you want to dig deeper, visit my website. You're amazing. And until next time, namaste.